Welcome back. My name is Ivica Cartello. You are watching React School for the Total Beginners. This video is JavaScript 6 for Total Beginners. JavaScript 6 for Total Beginners. Concentrate on this part of code. Declare and initiated variable array1, constant array1, equal angle brackets. Inside angle brackets is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is array. Array is always inside angle brackets. Object is always inside the curly brackets. But here we spoke about array. Array in angle brackets, we have members. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 members. This array1 variable. Array1 variable. About constant we spoke about in some of next video for JavaScript 6 Total Beginner. And it is like that. We have one array and it is variable equal that array. Create second variable map1 equal array1. It is array dot map. Map is a method of every array. There is methods, and one of that method is map. Here we are talking about map. Method map, method of array. Method is function. Function, always there is brackets. After name of function go brackets, like here. Map always inside brackets. Always in function inside brackets is a parameter, and map for parameter there is a function. This is function, and this is function we write in format of arrow function. That arrow function, there is a parameter. Here it is x parameter. X, it is a variable we named x. It is parameter of arrow function. Equal and greater and sign greater. And after that we have x multiplicate 2. It is one expression. And console.log map1, we expected 2 for, because 2 multiply 1 is 2, 2 multiply 2 is 4, also 6, 8, 10. Let's go. Look at here F12, and we have array 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Length is 5. we have 5 members of that array. It is something from before. I can start again. F12, and we have array 2, 4, 6. We have always array map method. Result of map method always is array. It means map 1 will be array. Here it is array. Always is array. Map produce always array. Every method of array produce array. Here it is. This is array 1, 1, 2, 3, and here is array result of these expressions, array.map. When I write directly here, return, directly run this array, not variable but directly array, dot map, it is temporary variable inside variable. I can create name what I want. And here it is. I will be, you look at h1, heading 1 around HTML element, and it will be a result of this block is again array, but that new array will be heading 1 inside heading 1 HTML element, big one. Let's go. Here it is. I don't need F12. Here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I write here numbers. Numbers is variable. From what? From here, from import. Array data. Where is array data? Here it is array data. Here it is numbers. Constant numbers is this array. Export default numbers. Here it is numbers. Array data. Array map. And when we import array data from array data, we import this. And our page see this code. That code is now on that page. Here is that code. Here is that code. And our page, this page, see that as numbers. Because that numbers, plural, is inside curly brackets. You look at this, it is not inside curly brackets. Only this is inside curly brackets. What is different? Difference is that inside curly brackets it's concretely real object, real variables coming from here. It is this real variables constant numbers, real variables. I always spoke about that as variables, but here is a keyword constant, and how I can variable speak about variable when we have keyword constant. About that I spoke in some of next video. It is very interesting because some courses is very confused with that, and I try to be very clear about that constant. And look at, I write small numbers, constant numbers, not caps characters, caps letters numbers, because usually in programming caps letter is for a constant, but it is not constant like that. It is that constant means something other. Now I can said constant in JavaScript6 means that we cannot change variable like this, equal and etc. No. We can change that only here, etc. And because of that, we have only in our application until now, in these courses, we have only constant in front of every our variables. But it is not constant. It can be always something other, but must coming from that same place, not other place. That is a constant place, constant location, from this location, from this row, this location, from this statement. There is no, it is not possible write on some other place in programming, write numbers, new constant numbers. No, only one constant numbers, all changes coming from here. For now, enough. Go back to our arrays. Here it is arrays, here it is numbers. It go import, here is import, and that numbers is in curly brackets here, and here is numbers.map, and we look what we have. And some very interesting here. Why this brackets, curly brackets? This is block. Open curly brackets and close curly brackets. Inside is all statements is part of the block. It is one block, and inside block we can declare, create declaration of a new variable, and here it is, new variable. Without blocks it is not possible, because new variable we can create, declare, and only with var, let, or constant. But here we have new variable number here in parameter, and all statement inside block have access to that variable. Variable in every statement would be welcome. Without curly brackets, not be welcome, would be indefinite. Okay. it is life of number is inside block, and here is a body of arrow function, and the result of that is this one. Here it is. Here it is. Numbers. Array data. 1, 2. Okay. Okay. Now, look at this. Very interesting. Change here, and automatically changes here. This virtuality of JavaScript is concretely React, and the single page application is something because it is go up, because user friendly environment, and that changes without refresh is today very, very important for user friendly our front end. Thank you for watching this video.